I am Shakira Pagnano and I am here with my mother, Cheryl Gallos. I'm grade 4 Nara of Santa Clara Elementary School. My under-teacher in science is Mr. Harley Baker Siga. My home-based family video project is about observing weather conditions. Welcome to our informative weather observation video. Today, we're going to learn all about different kinds of weather. Let's talk about sunny weather. When the sun is bright in the sky, we call it sunny weather. This weather is perfect for going to the beach. As of today, we're experiencing sunny weather. Since we are now in the middle of summer, the temperature is getting hot. Oh my grandmother.
You are correct, Shakira. That's why drinking a lot of water, wearing sunscreen are important. Keep on with the large clouds in the sky produce rain. The weather is rainy. We must need umbrella or raincoat to not get wet.
The stormy weather. Stormy weather is when the sky gets dark and forms thundery clouds. Sometimes we hear thunderstorms and see lightning. It is important to stay indoors and stay warm. The weather is cloudy. When there are lots of clouds in the sky, cloudy days are running. There are lots of clouds of sometimes clouds can cover the sky. It is called overcast weather.
When ocean waters fall near, the weather is snowy. The low temperature causes water in clouds to freeze, which forms as snowflakes. In our country, we don't experience this kind of weather because of the tropical climate that we have.
And that's the wrap. Those are different kinds of weather we can observe. Each kind of weather is special in its own way. I had fun doing this video. How about your mother?
Me too. I hope everyone learned something from this video. Remember to always observe weather and dress properly so that we can enjoy every kind of day.
Thank you for watching.
Take care always. Bye-bye.